Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session onwards, we are going to discuss about exploratory data analysis workflow. So far whatever we have learned because we wanted to understand the exploratory data analysis. So in that aspect, we have already covered many of the things in this course. We have started from the Python refresher, then we have seen NumPy, then we have discussed about the pandas core concept, then we have done the data visualization. We have also discussed about the data analysis core concept where we have understand that mean, median, mode, z-score. Then we have looked into various type of plot that is specific to the particular task which we have seen. So those are the prerequisite to understand this workflow. So whatever the term which we will use in this session, so you must be very much comfortable by listening those terms. I am going to introduce what are the steps required to do the exploratory data analysis for a problem domain. So let's jump into the Jupyter notebook and where we will look into how this part of the course is being segregated and what are the things which we are going to cover in this particular part of the course. So guys, we are into the Jupyter notebook and this part of the course is segregated like this way. So first we will understand that what actually the big picture is. So I want to give you 10,000 feet overview where you will understand that where this particular exploratory data analysis falls into when we are talking about analytics complexity. Once we understand the big picture, then we will proceed further and discuss about what actually the exploratory data analysis is and why it is important. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and we will discuss about value of exploratory data analysis. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and then we will discuss about the data exploration and preparation steps. So what it means in this session, we are going to discuss about all the required steps to do the data exploration as well as preparation of the data for the next step. So basically we are having 7 steps that is pretty much required while doing the exploratory data analysis. So it will be a start with step 1, variable identification, where we will understand that how we can identify the categorical variable, how we can identify the continuous variable, what is predictor variable, what is target variable. More specifically, we will discuss about types of variable, data type of that particular variable, and at last we will discuss about the variable category in the variable identification process. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and we will discuss about what actually the univariate analysis is, how we can do the analysis for continuous variable, how we can do the analysis for categorical variable. So all these concepts we are going to learn in step 2, that is univariate analysis. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further. At step 3, we will look into how to do bivariate analysis and what are the tools and what are the plots available, which we have already seen some of the plot which we are going to look into in more detailed manner. At step 4, we are going to discuss about missing values treatment, which we have already seen in our pandas session, but I want to reiterate the same point over here, but more specific to the problem domain. After handling the missing value, then we will proceed further and we will do the analysis on outlier detection and their treatment. So in this aspect, we will learn about what actually the outliers is, how we can identify the outlier is, and how we can take care of outliers while doing the data analysis as well as within the data preparation steps. Once we understand that, then we will proceed further and we will discuss about the variable transformation. So in this topic, we are going to learn about various techniques to transform our variable so that we can provide more valuable data to our model. Once we understand that, then we will proceed to the step 7, where we will discuss about various techniques to create the variable that will help us to do a better predictive analysis, because at the end of the process, all these variable is going to be used by predictive analysis. So guys, this part of the course is going to be very interesting. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Then we will start our discussion with the let's understand the big picture of data analysis. So till then, bye bye, take care.